Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a plan with me using my Hobonichi cousin. We are going to be using this kit called Planner Doodles. So if you'd like to see how this page turns out, make sure to watch until the end of the video and let's get started. Okay guys, so first I'm going to show you what kit we have. This is 2 pages. This is called the Hobonichi Cousin Hourly format. I have a vertical format in the shop as well. And for each design or each collection, I usually do an hourly and a vertical because it depends on what you would like. I used a vertical last time in my pages last week, and now I'm going to use an hourly. So you have your first page here that has your date covers with these boxes, your sidebar all up to here, and then these go over here, okay, and it covers this and it doesn't cover the time. So it's like a header, a label sticker. And then on the second page you have this, and you have these bottom bars. So this is a much longer bottom bar, as you can see, and it is gridded so that you can write on the grids, and I usually use this for my to-dos, etc. And then you do have your to-do headers here, and then you have a few deco circles, and then this square goes over here. I switch between hourly and vertical in my plan with me's in my planners, so let's go ahead and get started. That's not a very good transition. No, it's not. The sticker paper I'm using here is from my... Why don't we go up here? Will that fit? Not really. Okay. Is photo white, which is best for photo kits, and if you are using any felt tip pens. Right now I'm so obsessed with my felt tip pens, so obsessed. I do not use any other pen that is not felt tip. It started with my Pigma Micron, which you have seen 10,000 times already in this channel. And I have moved on from that into other pens, so good for me. So I'm going to go ahead and put down the bottom bar. So look at that. That's the cover. Oh my gosh, what? So this is the date covers. And now let's go ahead and put down the bottom bars. So for the date covers, it will cover up until 7 o'clock, and then the 8 o'clock is now where you start. So I hope that's okay with you guys. If your day starts at 9, or maybe your work starts at 9 and your day starts earlier than that, then you can still use this, but of course it's up to you how you'll use it. Now for the bottom bar, it goes up until the 21st and covers the 22nd. So that's how you use it. Here we go. So as you can see here, this is the 21st and 2100 hours. And then I'm gonna do the same for the other side. And we're practically finished. Okay, here we go. I love our photo whites. Our photo whites are so pretty. It's my favorite paper right now because of what I use. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put this circle over here, because I do not wake up at 8 or 9. Okay, sometimes I wake up at 8, so I'm going to put it up there. And then I'm going to put this little thing of a weekend banner. Put it up here. I kind of covered the heart, so that makes me sad, but no, not really. So I'm going to go ahead and take this square, and this goes here. So just gonna lift this and put it up against the edge. I have a new show obsession. It is called Titans, and I am so happy with it. It's so super fun, you guys. Okay, and now I'm gonna go ahead and build my sidebar. Gonna start with this, which has the grid. There we go. And I'm just going to put it up against that line here. Okay, so I'm gonna make this close to no white space as I can. Then I'm gonna use this square. And then I'm gonna use my habit trackers. So how do I use this planner? So this planner is my memory keeping planner. And what happens is that the daily pages are actually collections pages or notes pages for whatever idea I have, whatever moment I want to track. So it's mostly memory keeping, and that works out well for me. Okay, I think I'm gonna just grab this, the longer one. Maybe I can do another one. Maybe. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that still works. Here you go. And the foundation stickers are finished. Maybe I should just save these circles. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and save these circles. And then I'm gonna grab this. And hang on, what's this? 21, 22. Okay. First thing in the morning. So I'm probably not going to be up until 10. Well, I'm not going to be working until 10. That's for sure. There. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and save these. I'm going to save these for as the week goes on. So it's going to go into my planner right there for safekeeping. And now I'm going to go ahead and use my pens. Ta-da! So I have 3 types of pens here. I have the white one, which is the thinnest one. It's the Marvi Uchida 0.1. I have 2 Zig cartoonists. Is it? Okay. 2 Zig cartoonists. We have the Mangaka and the Mangaka Flexible. Mangaka 05. Those are my current favorite pens right now. So I'm going to go ahead and write down all the numbers. So this is the week of the 21st. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and, okay. I'm going to go ahead and write here, Monday, Tuesday. It's my mom's birthday, so I want to greet her first thing in the morning. I'm going to write down a heart. Okay. And then, fun part, I'm going to go ahead and take my sticker book. Okay, I haven't been using this very much, and this is the sticker book that I am using today. This is the productivity one, and it has a lot of really fun stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and take this sticker because it's black, and this page is black. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this somewhere. I think I'm just going to put it here. Because even though this is an hourly kit, I don't really use this as an hourly kit. Rather an hourly, I don't use the hourly format. It's still, because my life is boring. So there's no point to track myself hourly, at an hourly basis. So I think I'm going to cover up what I wrote down here and put this on. I love these sticker books, by the way. They are super fun. They're the best. It says now, and then I'm going to take my... I know that I said this is a memory planner, and this is way too much, but oh well. I'm going to write post... but then nothing's gonna happen on Wednesday. Nothing ever happens on Wednesday because Wednesday is our class day. So all of that is gonna be spent in class. Well, preparing for class, after class things, maybe dinner here and there, but nothing really happens. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this page like this right now. This is gonna be populated with all the things later in the week. So once again, these are the pens that I have used, and I use the Mambi sticker books because they are fantastic. They are my favorite. The cover that I'm using right now is from Hobonichi.ph. Hey guys, so in this segment that I've decided to film 2 weeks after this page has been completed is gonna be attached towards the end because I've decided just before I edited this video that I wanted to show you what it looked like after the week has passed as I use my page, and this is what it looks like. So as you can see, it's really filled out and it looks really busy and decorative, which is exactly how I like my pages to be. So if you plan like me, then or if you enjoy these kinds of spreads, then here's some inspiration for you for the Hobonichi cousin. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you some of the, or explain some of the other stickers that I have used because I am a sticker hoarder. That's why I have a shop, because I love using stickers in my planner. There's one thing that I forgot to add here, which is the word for the day, because I already know what it is. It's going to be freedom. No, not word for the day, but word of the week. Sometimes if I'm looking forward to something within the week, that's where it goes. For this week, it's gonna be freedom, and that's what it looks like. Super cute. Okay, so what I do, as I've mentioned before, is on these boxes, they are the major thing that I'm going to do today or will be happening that day. For example, I have some shopping day, exciting day, best day ever. And then I have, either I just use or write down stuff on it, or I use a giant sticker depending on my mood. I also used a big box here. This one is from a different sticker book. It is this sticker book. This is the Dear Lizzie. As you can see, I've already used a lot of it. This sticker book is really fun. I love Dear Lizzie as an artist. I love her aesthetic. Her aesthetic is my aesthetic, like to the T. And this one is from that book, as well as this one. This ones are from Kina Prince. This one is from Craftrina, yeah. And then this one is from my absolute favorite girl, Whimsical Cat. She is my favorite artist when it comes to emojis that is easily accessible in the Philippines. She is from the Philippines. So I'm very, very happy about that. You can see here I have this giant thing. So what this thing does is it gives me what I'm going to do for the second half of the week, because what happens in my week, and so this is not probably applicable to everybody, is that this week is not as stressful and as full as this week. Usually, these 2 days for me are just designing days, and then this day for me is a class day, and then all the things happen on this side of the page, which works out for me. That's why I love the Hobonichi Cousin weekly layout and the Erin Conrad and all the others that have this kind of page, because it works out. And that is it. This is the next week. I'm gonna be talking about that. Oh no, I didn't film this week. So bonus, I used a vertical kit. So here I used the hourly kit. Oh, by the way, this one is for my things to do. I didn't have anything to do this day because it's chill and a little bit of work day, just designing. And then here I have the vertical panda baby, and I have a lot of shop to do to-dos, and then I have this list, this major to-do list for the week. We got a Google Wi-Fi, which doesn't matter because our internet is down. There's a server in the system that is down and had affected everybody in our area. So right now I'm struggling to upload the new releases, so that's why it's going to be delayed. It's probably going to go up on Monday. That's how bad it is right now. And so that's what happens when you're in a third world country with really, really bad infrastructure. The infrastructure is monopolized by a single company, so they don't have like the drive for improving their services because they have zero competition and they're very, very corrupt. Okay, so here we have the Monday looks like this. So it's just very, very clean. This is one of the cleanest ones that I've ever done. And it's gonna be a long day. The actual to-do list for this is here. And I don't know why I didn't just write it down. Probably because it's not going to be enough. Because I have several to-dos as well that isn't this. And then I have this Wednesday. Wednesdays are okay, except that we had dinner that night. And then I went to see my friend. This is probably the busiest day here. We spent the day out. When I came back, I just went to my computer and designed. And then Friday, hello February. And then today is a Sunday, and I haven't filled that out yet. So that's it for us today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planner videos, please subscribe to my channel. So that's it for us, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!